Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. After this video, don't forget to subscribe on this channel for latest tricks on crypto and other news. So today, I will be talking about the daily cipher for the new users and for those who has abandoned the hamster project, which will be finally listed on September 26, 2024. The cipher is a combination of dash and dot. Dot means a tap and dash means long press on the hamster in order for then hidden letters to appear. This is possible when you have already clicked the cipher task, so let's get started. Today's code is Rockstar.
So for R, tap, long press, tap. For O, long press, long press, long press. For C, long press, tap, long press, tap. For K, long press, tap, long press. For S, tap, tap, tap. For T, long press. For A, tap, long press. For R, tap, long press, tap.